Guess who's back? Back again. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? It's me. So much stuff has been happening to me lately that I cannot just explain how good the ancestors, the universe, God, whatever you want to call it, how good it's been to me. I am literally packing to move. And I know y'all like, this bitch moving again. Yes, bitch, I'm moving again. But I'm moving around the corner from my mom's house. I found a condo, a 1-bedroom condo that I just fell in love with. And of course, I'll give y'all an empty apartment tour. But yeah, man, y'all, I just can't tell y'all. So it's so much good stuff that's been happening to me, and I'm just trying to ride this wave as long as I can. Like, as long as good things want to keep coming, I am open to receive it. And yeah, I'm just happy, and I can't wait for y'all to see this apartment. And I'm taking my old furniture with me for now, and I'll gradually be switching it out with newer stuff as I, you know, get my finances situated after I move. Because honestly, y'all, once I'm there, like, I'm not moving nowhere for a few years. I move next Friday. All right, so this is my official empty-ish apartment tour. So right now I'm in the living room, got a little patio. There go my new truck. And this is my dining room, my living room area. So I'm planning on making this is gonna be my living room. Back here is gonna be like my dining room area. And then here, I wanna make this like my studio area. So what I'll probably end up doing is putting some curtains up here. And then that's the utility closet. Pocket doors, which I really like. Oops. More pocket doors leading to the bathroom. I had to pray over my house last night, y'all. But yeah. Mirror, I don't think that's just like a regular mirror. I don't think it's nothing behind it. Yeah. Just a plain mirror. And then my tub was actually just a shower. But it's pretty big, and I like the marble effect that it has on it. And I camped out last night. I got my keys, so damn right I camped out. It's my shit. But this is my laundry room / walk-in closet, which I'm digging. My beautiful rug. I love this rug. It's so soft. I slept on it last night. It was pretty nice. Another nice window. And I like that these windows are side by side instead of up and down. And then we have another walk-in closet. Cut these lights out because I got a light bill now. And they have a nice, that's like a really good ceiling fan. Back to the living room. This is my dining room area. That's my bar cart that one of my coworkers bought me. Thanks, Sonya. And here's my kitchen. There's nothing in here but alcohol. Got some wine down there. And I got a bottle of Jack in the freezer. But new cabinets they have. I got a stove and a dishwasher. So yeah, I'm really happy, really excited to be starting this new journey. I just can't believe. But yeah, my patio. I'm gonna love this patio. It's big too. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. And the rug fits perfectly, so Yep. So maybe I'll do a little decorating series on my apartment, but that's about it. All right, so I thought that I would show you what I just did to my window. Oh shoot. Almost fell. But before, you could see like straight in here and I could look directly out and see my neighbors. You can't see shit. This is perfect. All right. So I get to keep my curtains. Now, I will say that these were not cheap. They were $39 a piece. And I had to get two because I got one for each window. I'll show you what the pack look like. Y'all, please excuse my house. Like, I'm still moving in, but, you know, I got to get things situated. But that's what it looks like. And then I got this to put it on. It said it's self-adhesive, but I don't trust that. But oh, I looked on Amazon and I saw the video for how to apply it. I couldn't think of the daggone word. But it was pretty simple. It probably took me about 30 minutes. But yeah, that was pretty good. I'm not gonna show you. I'm gonna wait till I get like things done before I show y'all like a full tour. But I just wanted to show y'all that, just to give you hopefully something to look forward to. But I'm signing off for now, and this video should be up on Sunday. This video is gonna be up on Sunday. Peace.